Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. Now we're going to be working with this Land Rover. So the first step for this work is to take your clippers, clip away at these things like that, and then clip away like that and that. And then, yeah, take away that little piece and that piece. Then, clip there, clip there. Just keep clipping away. Alright, then take and grab this piece like that and try to get where it will just take the whole piece. So try to get the rest of that piece there. Good, got it. Next, same story for that and for that, and then for this one and that one. Last but not least, there you go. Alright, so the clipping away portion of this video is complete. Let's start to glue this together. So go ahead and put some glue down like that, and then put this piece down like this. Good. Next, let's go ahead and put some glue on the front there. And let's go ahead and put this bumper on. Like that. Great, so you can see how that was done. Letting that dry. And while that dries, let's clip away the supports on these wheels. Not the supports, the sprues. Great. Now, these wheels you have to pay attention. These are the spare wheels and these are the actual wheels for the vehicle. So go ahead and put a little glue on the axle there. Just make sure that axle gets into the center. And then let's just go ahead and do the other side. There you go. Now, optionally, I'm going to, in this video, put a little glue on the hood there. And let's get a wheel just right in the center there. Spare tire. That definitely looks Land Rover style. Really cool. And then, let's just really get this with a bunch of spare tires. This is all optional, these two tires. You can have them or not. So there's a spare tire. So there's this Land Rover from Miniature Tanks Company. Thank you so much for watching.